The GRINNELL G-Fire One-Bolt Coupling makes joining groove pipe more efficient than ever before. Before installation, always read and understand the instructions. Never remove any piping component without verifying that the system is depressurized and drained. Grade A gaskets are pre-lubricated and do not require additional lubrication for applications above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Gaskets may be either self-lubricating or powder lube, depending on the specific model. Additional silicone-based lubrication must be used in dry pipe and applications below 40 degrees. Petroleum lubricant should not be used on Grade A EPDM gaskets to prevent deterioration. Inspect the exterior groove and ends of the pipe to verify all burrs, loose debris, dirt, chips, paint, and grease are removed. Pipe end sealing surfaces must be free from sharp edges, projections, indentations, and/or other defects. The coupling will arrive pre-assembled and ready for installation. Do not remove coupling hardware prior to installation. Open the coupling by extending the segments out to the limits of the bolt and nut. Install the gasket and coupling onto one end of the pipe. Push until the gasket center stop contacts the pipe. The center stop should not ride up onto the gasket sealing surface. Slide the other pipe end into the gasket and coupling. Ensure it contacts the gasket center stop. When pushing onto the first pipe, rotate the gasket coupling to ensure the gasket is seated properly on the sealing surface of the pipe. When sliding the second pipe into the gasket coupling, rotate or twist the pipe to ensure the gasket is seated properly on the sealing surface of the pipe. Both pipes should be aligned vertically and horizontally. Verify that the housing keys are aligned with the pipe grooves. Tighten the nut. Visually inspect the coupling again to ensure that the housing keys are engaged into the pipe grooves. An intended gap of up to 1/16 of an inch at the bolt pad allows for positive rigid gripping onto the pipe. For vertical installation of the GRINNELL G-Fire One-Bolt Coupling, follow the previous installation instructions.